Yo fam, the season of change music video. I'm just in the studio editing different stuff, or it's under a lot of pressure, it's under a lot of stress, it's a lot of I don't know if I was under stress, but that day my homeboys came by like yo, can't pick you up, can't get you out of the house. I'm just here, either writing a song but I was in the dark dungeon, like I was in the studio, but it was like dark. You know what I mean? But I'm there, like, yo, come. Anywhere you wanna go, you don't gotta drive, you can relax yourself and get in character. And we'll shoot a music video for you. Seasons Change. So then I jump in the car, go over there. We shot Seasons Change on the rooftop there, Terrence. But I know a word of pride. You know what I'm saying? So like what I'm trying to say, everything just fell into place. Once we just started shooting it, right? Went on the island. He's my counsel, he's my source of all power. But no man, know the minute, nor the hour. I feel the seasons change. So this is just what I'm trying to show you. Like, you can do whatever, whenever you want to do it. If you have the will, there's a way. Stay 10 toes, full-hearted, don't falter, get it done. You know what I mean? I'm a spirit with a body, not a body with a soul. Potter's house, break the mold, set me apart. Work on my heart, fight my battles, fight my war. You know the ending from the start. My enemies and enemies, yeah, pretend who they are. You can't just sit there and, make excuses for yourself, feel sorry for yourself, and things not working out. Have you tried? No one ever see you do anything without money, so why would they give you money? You know what I mean? And it's not even about money. If you love this and you say you really love what you do it. With or without money. Do it all, never without you. Signs of wonders, how could I doubt you? Lord, give a break or change, I can vouch you. Like, these things are natural to me. Light work. Day after day, trapped behind that cage. Now y'all gon' feel my fate. So, anyway. Season Change, go get that. Go take a listen. Leave me a honest comment. I see the seasons change. Day after day, trapped behind that cage. Now y'all gon' feel my Express the Machine over and out, alright? Peace. After day, trapped behind